What's up, everyone?
Today we're gonna do steak tacos.
I don't even need to tell him. Jackson's got it. All right. Whoa. Hold on. Yeah. Got a little premature over there. Squirted outside. All right, that's good. Hold on. Let me. All right, hit it up, Jax.
Ooh, that looks good.
There we go. So we got the steak. We marinated that in some Dano's original. Yeah, buddies. So we are gonna get the steak cooked up, and then we're gonna add in some other stuff. Look at that. That's my homemade dipping sauce that I made right there. Damn fly in the background. Them damn things suck. That dipping sauce is a cherry chipotle, or smoked cherry chipotle sauce. So we'll see, man.
Now we got the peppers.
And the onions.
Gotta get everything in.
Hams. Here we go.
That looks amazing, y'all.
It's sizzling. It's gonna be nice. We're gonna let that cook for a little bit, and we'll be back in a little bit. All right.
Peace.
All right, we got the steak done.
Yeah.
We need a little bit more time for the onions and peppers to get done, but let's scoop these out.
I'm making a mess. Ooh, what's that?
It's good.
Goodness.
Oh. Hey, these flies, man.
Yeah.
I need to get, once we get moved, that's what I can't wait for, because we're getting ready to move from here from Columbia over to like Jacksonville, Wilmington area, and that'll be when I finally call a place home after fucking 25 years of moving around all over the place.
One over here.
Once we get out there, we'll call that place home. Let's scoop all this. I'm gonna build me my grilling area, and that's one thing I will have is like a ceiling fan. You guys hear that?
Yeah.
All that leftover steak stuff in there with.
Oh, I'm kind of first.
But that's what I can't wait for is to build.
Isn't that good? Isn't the steak
I
good?
know. Look at that though. That looks good right there.
It makes me want to cry. It looks so good.
I know, it's good. And then there's the steak. And then we're gonna get this off of here, and then we're gonna get it prepped, and then we're gonna do the tortillas. We're gonna dip down in the actual sauce. So we'll be back. All right, so we're back, and this is gonna be something I've never done before. I've seen some of the videos. So I got this sauce. It's made with some of the, some broth that I had, some leftover broth from Brutus's food. That I cook up his stuff, and then I put in like a cherry chipotle sauce. But I've always seen where people sort of put the tortilla in. How do I get this damn thing out now? Maybe not the best type of bowl, but here we go. All right.
It's sliding.
Yeah. So get these put in there. Let them cook up.
That one's trying to run away.
I know. And then what I seen, what everybody did. Alright, so we got what?
5.
5. Boom. And then we put
That smells amazing.
some of the meat on there.
That smells really good.
Yeah.
Out. Listen, I never usually use gloves, but for some reason I thought it was going to be a little messier. But I'm actually okay with just using the gloves for this. There's some of the onions and stuff.
Ooh.
And this stuff just got done cooking, so it's still hot. Hot. Use that. Huh.
Yeah, because those peppers and onions just got off the oven. I mean, not oven. Yeah, tiny oven. Tiny grill. Tiny grill.
Flat top.
Yeah.
Tiny flat top.
And then
That fly was about to land
cheese.
onto the.
Ooh. Ooh.
What's up? The neighbors show up when we're cooking.
For real.
We got a video going right there, so you're in our video. You smelled all the food, didn't you? That's why you came over.
What's up, YouTube? How y'all doing?
I don't know if they can see you from right there.
Yeah.
But
He's right next to me.
damn, that was way too much.
I'm at my friend's house. Like, they over here cooking.
We ain't your friend. We're an acquaintance. No one here likes you.
Yeah.
All right, let's see if this.
Now, look.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll be alright. No.
It's looking good.
It turned out good.
Yeah.
Shut up. What? What?
There we go. There's. They're looking good, I think so.
That looks good.
They do look good.
No, me.
All right, so here they are. This is the end result. Isaiah, you want to do a taste test with us? All right, so again, you don't have to dip it in here. This is like a cherry chipotle sauce that I made up, but I'm gonna dip mine in this bad boy, but everybody grab a taco.
I'm definitely gonna try the cherry chipotle sauce.
Got it? Get that bad boy.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so you can dip that thing down in that sauce. Got it? These flies just, all right, let's go.
Tail turn. Tail turn.
Hell yeah. That shit,
That's really good.
that sauce, I'm happy with that.
That's a 10 out of 10.
It's messy though, but
Good.
that ham's good.
Y'all can make money like that.
Woo!
Y'all can make some money like that.